my hair. I leave evidence of my whereabouts everywhere. It was like, woo, but it was also like, ah! So I didn't notice this before, but it looks like there's a big gap here for some reason. I don't know, maybe I just didn't notice it before. So if you look all around, it looks okay. Nothing seems to be protruding. Maybe it's just not closing hard enough. Let's try again. We're going to get some MAF cleaner. MAF, right? That's what you call it. To hopefully fix that little bouncy bounce. Let's see. We got it. According to some website, the CRC mass airflow sensor cleaner should work. Hopefully they're correct and I don't damage something. Also, I need to get some groceries. So let's see if I feel like doing this tonight. Oh my god, look at that beautiful candy red. I don't really know what this is for, but this is a handle that I think goes right here so that I can lift it. So let's loosen those and install the handle. I'm so scared right now. It's like not on the bolts. I think it's fine, but I'm just like so scared right now. By the way, I was always confused about the jacks and jack points. My rail looks ugly as hell, but I want to get side skirts eventually anyway. I know, that's too much on the edge. I was not, yeah, bad planning. There is a bolt holding that circle right there. Do you see it? There's a bolt right beside it. So I'm gonna try to loosen it. I got the big boy. This is what I'm afraid of. So if there's nothing that, if these wires do not exist yet, I'm going to have to route them myself, which is a big pain because it has to go all the way up to the front speedometer. But I thought it would be obvious, but I can't seem to find anything. I need to cut that zip tie so that this connection can go into the top of that. So let's get to it. Alrighty, so I believe it goes a long way side to side like this. So you can't see anything actually. Get in there. But there's a plug into the top, and so the plug is fatter than the actual sensor, which is probably preventing us from tightening the sensor down all the way. So we're gonna try to unplug that first. We are running a 225, 40, 18. Let's see if I can get those. Something's squeaking there. Oh, not anymore. Okay. Time to go more adventure. Try again. Alright. What a hard worker, Luna. Good job. Bro, I think my fusible length gave out. I waited too long. Watch. Nothing. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Alright, so this was loose right here. That little, what do you call it, wings. So I tightened it, so let's see what's gonna happen right. So I don't know if it was there before, but I know that at least is working. I don't know if we can do anything about that. Yup, that was probably it. Alright, we got a loose nut on the positive terminal of the battery. And as usual, it doesn't start off on the first go. Let's try again. There it goes. Alright, it's been sitting the whole day long. Moment of truth. It literally sounded like it went kaput. Yeah, so I'm already gonna order a fuel pump. I don't know if that's it, but it could potentially help, right? First thing in the morning. Oh, good job. Keep my starting note. Not bad, I guess, since I started it this morning. Yeah, not bad. Let's try again. Okay. We're leveling out. Alright. Hopefully it's just condensation because it's super cold and I'm constantly running the fans because there's a lot of smoke, y'all. Hi all, I am in this very creepy garage. We are taking a break from work to check on our truck. Well, my truck, I don't know why I'm saying our. It's your trunk too for watching. So this notch right here, I wonder if it should get stuck in here when it's completely open. See how it goes down? And it should notch into place maybe? So that's why I'm thinking to squeeze this up in there. So let's try that. Guess what? I spent less than $40 on gas. It's been like 10 years since I've spent 30 something on gas. We finally got an AC belt. My AC will finally get working. Just in time for winter. Deuces.